Welcome to the station at Buffalo, your new home with a built-in social scene amid the gorgeous city of Buffalo. Choose from modern 2, 3, and 4-bedroom apartments and unlock maximum privacy and spacious closets. The stylish kitchen with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances makes cooking feel regal. Tackle loads of laundry even when you're short on time with in-unit washer and dryer. Power through academics with group study rooms, all equipped with high-speed internet. It's all made simple through roommate matching with RoomSync. Even bring your fur babies along to this pet-friendly space. Enjoy endless amenities with a remarkable fitness center, grills to fire up on weekends, and a resort-style pool for some laps. Wait, there's more. Its location at Sweet Home Road provides easy access to campus, with University at Buffalo located within a mile, and Medalli University being a short commute away. So students, get ready to unlock the student abode of your dreams. Book your spot at the station at Buffalo via amberstudent.com now.